Hi, second grade mathematicians. Today's warm-up is called Paper Clips and Cherries. First, we're going to write an equation and solve the problem and use the draw pad to show your work. Sally started with 100 paper clips in the box. She pinched 36 paper clips. How many paper clips were still in the box? All right, so there's a couple of different ways that we can solve this. We can start with 100 and subtract 36. Um, we can break apart the 30 and the 6. And we know that 100 minus 30 equals 70. And 70 minus 6. Well, I know that 70 minus 5 is 65, so 70 minus 6 must be 64. So what I did was first I subtracted 100 minus 30 and I got 70. And then I subtracted 70 minus 6 and I got 64. So there must be 64 paper clips left. Another way that I could solve this problem is I could think about what number plus 36 equals 100. So I could use addition. So I would say 36 plus, I know that if I add 4 here, I will get 40 because I know 6 plus 4 is 10. And then I know that 40 plus 60 equals 100. So then I would take these two numbers, the 60 and the 4, and my answer would be 64. All right, there's more ways to solve this problem. There's so many other strategies. Can you think of another strategy? Could you draw pictures? So I don't know if you remember, but in the beginning of the year, we drew pictures by thinking about place value blocks. So we drew like big squares for hundreds and sticks for tens and dots for ones. So we could draw it. So um, we could say 100, which would be 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or remember, we could draw it like this, a box, minus 36. So remember we did x's. Oh my goodness, I am not good at drawing with this. I'm so sorry. Okay, so we would take away 3 of these. So 1, 2, 3. And then I would take away, I'd have to break this apart into 10. And then I would take away 6. So that's 6, right? 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm left with 4. So I'm left with 6 sticks and 4 singles, which is also 64. So I could use pictures to figure it out also. Can you think of another strategy as well? All right, second grade mathematicians, today we're going to start a new activity called combining sets of stickers. Let's go through page 533 together. Problem number 1 says Kira has 135 stickers. Show them. So we're going to draw a picture of what 135 stickers looks like. and we're going to start with the 100. So instead of drawing 10 rods or lines, we're going to use a flat to show that we have 100, okay? And then for 30, we're going to use 3 rods, and this is going to represent 3 tens, and then we're going to do 5 ones. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5. And the equation here is 100 plus 30, because remember, this isn't 3, this is 3 tens, plus 5 equals 135. Ooh, I'm not good at this. Okay, then Jake has 100. So I'm going to put a flat down. Oh no, I did it again. 100, and then 2 of these, and then 3 singles. So Jake's equation is 100 plus 20 plus 3. Okay, so the next part says, if Kira and Jake combine their sets, how many stickers will they have? Use equations to show your work. So I can start by adding 100 plus 100 together, because I'm combining the 2 flats. And I know 100 plus 100 is 200. And then I'm going to add the tens next. And I know that 3 tens plus 2 tens equals 5 tens. So 30 plus 20 equals 50. So far I have 250 stickers in this case, right? Because we're thinking about stickers. And then the last part is 5 ones plus 3 ones. And I know that 5 plus 3 equals 8. So the last thing that I have to do is add 200 plus 50 plus 8. And I know that that is simply 258. Okay, so how many stickers will they have if they combine all their stickers together? They're going to have 258. So now you're going to go on to the next page, which asks, Sally has 250 stickers, so you're going to show them. Remember to write the equation. So 200 plus 50 plus 0. And then Franco has 248, so you're going to draw them, and then you're going to write the equation. And then when they combine their stickers together, how many will they have in all? Off you go, mathematicians.